Okay guys, I want to show you some extreme custom wheel repair painting. We have a Range Rover where we're going to paint the wheels. Well, we're going to paint the machine portion of the wheel, the silver portion, to match the color of the truck. Now, this is what you consider an extreme custom job, because if you follow each one of these pockets, even this little line right here, there's a lot of detail in this wheel. When you're customizing wheels, the most important thing is detail. Our lines are very straight. This wheel hasn't been taped. This wheel has. Now, everywhere where you see yellow tape, it's going to remain black. Where you see the silver, it's going to be a maroon color to match the Range Rover. It literally takes 3 hours or 4 hours per wheel to tape it up properly. And you see all of our lines are really straight, really straight. Even in this little cut here, it's really straight. So this is where all the skill and agility comes in when you are doing custom paint for wheels. Let me show you the truck. These are 4 wheels that we powder coated in one day. They came in with bends and cracks and they were all faded and oxidated, but they look brand new now. I'll show you the truck. The Range Rover is here. It's going to match this truck. We ordered the paint. This is a tri-color. Tri-color means it's got like a pearl in it. It's dusk right now. You can't really see, and the truck is dirty, but we're going to match the color of this truck on those wheels. The gentleman brought a Hummer in, and he brought his Jaguar in as well. So we got a Mercedes in for some bends in the wheel. We have a Lincoln in for a sunroof repair. We got another Jaguar in for curb rash. We're going to redo all the wheels. We got a Beamer in. We're going to black out those wheels. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're getting ready to do a complete blackout package on. So as you can see, business is good, and we love our customers, and they bring their expensive high-line cars to us for custom work. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. I will give you part 2 of the video on the finished product on the wheels. Okay guys, this is why our customers love us when it comes to custom wheels. Look at the work and the craftsmanship on these wheels. Look at the lines. Look at the tri-color in the paint. We painted the machine finish, and we came back, and to marry it in and make it all blend, we glossed the entire wheel. It's like candy, as the song says. That's a candy color red. The wheels look awesome. Let me show you here. These are the finished product. This is why we love what we do. Our guys are the best. Look at the lines on those wheels. Those are all man-made lines. They're not jagged. They're all straight. It looks machine professional, as if it was done by a robot. Okay? This is all man-made, done by hand. This is why people send us wheels from all over the U.S., because this is the type of work that we put out. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. Another reason why we are the best.